Good morning, students. In previous class we studied about some points of multiple and factor. Today we will solve all the questions coming at the point from them one by one. So the first point is common multiple. In last video we learned the definition of multiple. The product of number is known as multiple of that number. The number that are multiplied to get a product are called factor. And if a number is multiplied of two different number, it is known as common multiple the two numbers. Now, so I think you all are understood definitions of multiple, factor and common multiples. And to find out the difference between factor and multiple, we take some examples on it. Let we have a number 20. We can write it as 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Students, here 5 is the factor of 20 and 4 is also the factor of 20 and 20 is multiple of 4 and multiple of 5. So I hope you all are understood. Students, now we have one more example. Here 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 3 and 2 are the factor of 6 and 6 is the product, means 6 is the multiple of 3 and 2. Okay students, we are going to take some different type of questions. So now we take some examples. The multiple of 2 are, we can write like it, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20 and etc. See students, these are the multiple of 2. We write the multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and more etc. 3 1 ja 3, 2 ja 6, 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30, means 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 and 30 are the multiples of 3. Students, the multiple of 4 are 4 2 ja 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and etc. Means 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, means the table of 4 is the multiple of 4. The table of 4 is the multiple of 4s. Students, here we have a question. What are the first 5 multiple of 9? We write 9 into 1 equal 9, 9 into 2 equal 18, 9 into 3 equal 27, 9 into 4 equal 36, 9 into 5 equal 45. So 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45 are the first 5 multiple of 9. Here we have a question. Write the multiple of 7 which lie between 10 and 30. We write 7 into 1 equals 7, 7 into 2 equal 14, 7 into 3 equal 21 and 7 into 4 equal 28, 7 into 5 equal 35 sorry. But 35 and 7 is smaller than 10 and 35 is greater than 30. So we can write only 14, 21 and 28. Means 14, 21 and 28 are the multiple of 7 which lie between 10 and 30. Students, here is another question. Circle the number that are the multiple of 6. Students, 25 is not the multiple of 6 because 25 is not in the table of 6. 24 is the multiple of 6. 36 is also the number multiple of 6. 18 is the multiple of 6. And 12 is the multiple of 6. Because in the table of 6, we read the table of 6. We got 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30. Then 30 is not in the row. 6 6 is 36. Means they are the number that multiple of 6. Students, our next point is common multiple. A common multiple is a number that is multiple of two numbers. Here are common multiple for the numbers 4 and 10. 4 equal 4, 8, 12, 20, 24 and 10 equal 10, 20, 30 and 30, 40 and 50. Hence 20 is the common multiple of both numbers. Students, now take some questions on it. Students, here we have a question. Find the common multiple of 6 and 15. Solution. Firstly, we write the multiple of 6 and 15. 6 equal 3 into 2 into 1 and 15 equal 3 into 5 into 1. So we can see 3 is common in both. 3 is common in both multiples. So 3 is the common multiple of 6 and 15. So students, I hope you understand the factors, multiples and common multiples. Students, please watch the video 2 or 3 times and do worksheet properly. Thank you so much students for watching this video. Stay home, stay happy, stay healthy.